we'll guide you through how to choose a name for ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look for your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or your name, typically located in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on it and navigate to the Settings option. Here, you'll find a section for personalizing your ChatGPT experience. Look for the option labeled something like Profile or Personal Information. Within this section, you'll see a field for your display name. Click into this field to edit it. Now it's time to get creative. Your name should reflect your personality or how you want to be perceived in conversations. Keep it unique but simple, and make sure it aligns with any guidelines provided by the platform. Something catchy yet professional can go a long way. Once you've decided on a name, type it into the field and double-check for any typos or errors. After you're satisfied, look for a Save button, usually at the bottom of the page, and click it to confirm your new display name. Refresh your page to ensure the changes have taken effect, and voila, you have a new name for your ChatGPT interactions. Remember, you can change it again later if you want, so don't stress too much about getting it perfect. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.